Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get an Affidavit of Undertaking for SSS. This crucial document is often required for various SSS transactions, ensuring your commitment to specific conditions. We'll cover its purpose, the necessary requirements, and a clear, step-by-step process to obtain it. Understanding this procedure will help you navigate your SSS dealings smoothly and efficiently, saving you time and effort. Let's get started. To prepare, gather your valid identification documents, such as a government-issued ID with your clear signature. You'll also need any supporting papers relevant to your specific SSS claim or transaction, like a claim stub or a letter from SSS. Make sure you have the correct SSS form or reference number handy. Proper preparation ensures a quicker and smoother process when you apply for the affidavit. The next step involves visiting an SSS branch or a notary public. Clearly state the purpose of your undertaking and the specific SSS transaction it relates to. You will then sign the document in the presence of the authorized person. Be prepared to pay any applicable notarial fees, which typically range from 100 to 500 pesos, depending on the notary and location. Once notarized, submit your affidavit of undertaking to the appropriate SSS branch. It's always wise to keep a clear photocopy of the document for your personal records, just in case. After submission, remember to follow up with SSS regarding the status of your transaction. This proactive approach helps ensure your SSS claim or request is processed without unnecessary delays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.